Alright guys, haven't made a gun video for a while. Got a Mossberg, or no, it's a Maverick 88, which is made by Mossberg, and it's basically interchangeable with the Mossberg 500 except for the trigger group. You can switch out the barrels and everything, except for the forend, because this one's pinned, and if you switch it out with the 500, you gotta get one that's not pinned. So the whole arm and everything goes. It's a Model 88 Maverick. Fairly cheaper guns. I think they could be had for like $1.90 new. I got mine for like $175 off a guy. Put a sling on it for like 20 bucks. Not bad. Flip it over. It actually runs pretty well. I actually used it for a shotgun this year, even with the bird barrel. I think I killed one at about 60 or 65. It's a pretty nice gun. I like it a lot. It's got the double bead. Go ahead and open this up for you guys. There you go. I've been trying to get a 500 barrel for it, but every one I go to buy, I want pretty much the brand new price on them, and I want a used one. The stock is synthetic on it. The chamber is I don't know if it'll pick that up or not. No, the chamber is 2 3/4 and 3-inch shells. 28-inch barrel with the Accia choke. I believe it's a modified choke that's in it. With a Winchester sling. Well, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more content.